Hey guys, what's going on? It's Randy with Guitars, Girls, Green Grass, and Guns. It's about 3 o'clock in the morning right now. There's a locust out here that's coming out of its shell. I don't know what to call it. Anyway, I'm going to set you over here, put a time lapse on it, and this is going to be the beginning and the end of the video, so I hope you enjoy what you see. I'm putting this on 1 second interval clips. A lot happens fast, but a whole lot doesn't happen at all. So stick around, watch all of it, because when something happens, it happens pretty quick. So I hope you enjoy the video. Leave a comment, like, subscribe if you want to, and have a good day. I'm out.